Welcome to the unboxing of the EWS850 Fit. Cover for the device, one more wrapper, antennas, power cable, some mounting stuff, a power injector, obviously our indoor devices do not come with a power injector, but this one comes with the power injector. It is a 5006 GR, so it must have a reset button on it. Reset button over here so that you can reset the device, because the device, the access point itself, does not have a reset button. It has a 2.4 gigahertz antenna connection, 5 gigahertz antenna connection, the plug for the Ethernet cable, and again 2.4 or sorry 5 gigahertz 2.4. So the 5 gigahertz are all on the same side, 2.4 are all on the same side, and we also have some LEDs that will show up when the device is powered on.